Welcome to Chisholm Trail 61. Today we're going to be fixing an old-fashioned country cornbread that only takes 4 ingredients to fix. And I'm going to show you that coming up right now. Okay, our 4 ingredients we're going to need today is in the bowl we got 2 cups of self-rising cornmeal. We need a cup, 1 1/3 cups of milk, a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 egg. And what we're going to do, we're going to mix our wet ingredients in this bowl here first. We'll dump that in, dump our vegetable oil in, and then we're going to bust the egg and dump it in. And we'll just whip that around there. Get it mixed up good. Want to get the egg beat well. Get it mixed up. And we're just going to make us a little well in our cornmeal here. And then we're going to take and just dump our wet mixture over into our cornmeal. And I'm just going to take this spoon, we're just going to stir this around, mix it up really well. If you notice my cast iron skillet here, we're going to be cooking it in a cast iron skillet. It'll go in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. But I've got my cast iron skillet greased with just vegetable grease. Got it greased good, and what that'll do, that'll help make that crust on the bottom turn a golden brown. If you don't have something in there to coat it with, then you're going to just get a real light, barely tanned crust on it. But by putting some grease in the pan, coating your pan with grease, or sometimes I use butter. Now this recipe here doesn't call for the butter. You don't want the butter in this recipe, but I do have one where I use butter. Then it'll make it turn brown. We're just going to dump this out into our skillet here. We got it mixed up. And like I said, we're going to put this in a 400 degree oven. I got my oven heated to 400 degrees over here behind me. I'm just going to spread this around, get it spread out sort of evenly around so it rises evenly and cooks evenly. You don't want to leave your cornbread mix piled up in one pile in one spot, because if you do, that's not going to cook good, and the rest of it's going to be done, and you'll have to burn that to get that to cook. Now I'm just going to slip it in the oven there. Like I said, the oven's at 400 degrees. I'm going to slip it in the oven. We're going to let it stay in there for 20 minutes, and then we'll be back and show you the results. Okay, our timers went off on the cornbread, so we're going to take it out. We've let it cook for about 20 minutes. Actually, it went a little over, about 25 minutes, I want to say. But anyway, see, we got a good golden brown crust on it. So we're going to give it just about 10-15 minutes. We'll let it sit here, and then we're going to take it out of the pan, and we'll bring it back whenever we get to that point. Okay, we've had our cornbread out about 10 minutes now, so it should be cool enough to take out of the pan. Let's flip it out and see what that bottom looks like. Yeah, see, we got a good golden crust on the bottom. That's just exactly what we want there. We want our crust to be golden brown, a real golden brown. We're going to cut us a piece of it out here, and we're going to taste it, see what it tastes like. Now, I love me some cornbread. I could eat cornbread 3 meals a day. Ooh, look at all this steam coming off of it. See, it's good and fluffy on the inside there. We got a good coat. Ooh, man. That is some hot cornbread. I blow that for a minute. Well, I tell you what, take you a couple of pieces of that, get you some milk or some buttermilk, whichever you like. Man, make a whole meal out of that, I tell you what. Mix it with some beans. You mix you some beans and cornbread together. That'd be great like it, or some pot liquor. I know probably a lot of you don't know what pot liquor is. Pot liquor is the juice off of greens. When you cook your batch of like turnip greens, that juice off of them, pot liquor. I can remember when I was a kid, we get sick or something, Mama would always fix a pot of greens, turnip greens there, and we'd mix some cornbread and that pot liquor, that juice off of them greens together, and eat it. And you know, it always seemed to be help us. I don't know if it really did or if it was just a mental thing, but it always seemed to make you feel better whenever you had pot liquor and cornbread. But anyway, it's a great recipe. I enjoy making it, enjoy eating it even more than I enjoy making it. Like I said, I love my cornbread. So, you know, if you will, give the video a thumbs up, share the knowledge, comment, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate everybody that does. We appreciate all those that watch our videos, all those that comment. I try to answer each and every comment. We appreciate all those that subscribe to our channel. And try your pan of cornbread there. It's a good source. So, you know, it'll be well worth your time, well worth your trouble. It's a simple recipe. Like I said, you seen we used 4 ingredients. That was it. So, you know, we just want to share the knowledge here. We appreciate each and every one of you. We hope to see y'all on the next one. Appreciate it.